Tired of crowded gyms and inconsistent schedules? A home gym can give you the freedom to move on your time. But how do you design one that actually inspires action? Let's explore how to build a home gym space that looks sharp, feels motivating, and fits your lifestyle. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. Which mirrors are best for gyms? Choose full-length, shatterproof mirrors. One wall is usually enough. It helps correct form and brings in more light. Mirrors can also reflect your progress, literally and mentally, boosting motivation over time. Form check approved? Like this look? What tech should you include? Install a wall-mounted screen or tablet holder for guided workouts. Bluetooth speakers elevate atmosphere. Fitness trackers or smart mirrors help monitor progress. Tech should enhance, not complicate your flow. Tech for reps? Tap like now. What storage works for small gyms? Think up, not out. Vertical hooks, over-the-door racks, and wall bins save space. Hidden storage benches hold weights and towels. Keep it lean and functional so the room feels open and ready. Smart storage? Hit like now. What makes a good home gym space? Look for a spot that's quiet, ventilated, and free of distractions. Spare bedrooms, basements, or corners of open-plan living areas can all work. The key is separation from lounge zones, so your brain associates this space with energy and movement. Want to move more? Like this idea. What lighting is ideal for workouts? Bright, clear lighting keeps you alert. Use adjustable LEDs or daylight bulbs to set the tone. Natural light is great for morning sessions, but layered artificial lighting ensures consistency anytime. Dim spaces reduce motivation. Stay lit to stay fit. Let there be light? Like this tip. What decor boosts motivation? Use mirrors for posture checks and space expansion. Add an inspiring quote on canvas or a chalkboard tracker for goals. Decor should focus your mindset. Avoid clutter or distractions. Motivation starts with what your eyes see first. Need a push? Like this wall idea. What colors energize a home gym? Use rich, deep shades like charcoal, navy, or forest green for a grounding effect. Bright pops of yellow or orange boost mood and movement. Avoid muted pastels. They don't energize the brain the same way. Let your palette reflect energy and power. Feeling the energy? Hit like. How should you organize equipment? Use wall hooks, storage racks, and bins to sort gear. Store like with like, weights on racks, bands and baskets. Vertical solutions keep the floor open. Clear zones make workouts efficient and visually clean, which keeps you coming back. Neat gear, strong start, tap like. How do you stay consistent with use? Keep the area clean, gear charged, and goals visible. Add a schedule reminder or tracker. When your space feels welcoming, you're more likely to return. A tidy, focused gym turns motivation into momentum. Routine is key? Like this idea? How do you keep it cool and fresh? Use fans or open windows to keep airflow steady. Dehumidifiers are great for basement gyms. Keep towels nearby and sanitize gear regularly. Clean, cool spaces support longer, more consistent routines and better recovery. Cool air, better reps, like this tip. How do you choose flooring for a gym? Durability and safety are essential. Rubber mats reduce noise and absorb shock. Vinyl and foam tiles are easy to clean and support floor exercises. Avoid slick tiles or carpet, they wear down quickly and can disrupt form and balance. Planning flooring? Tap like now. Can you make it multifunctional? Definitely. Create zones for stretching, cardio, and strength training. Foldable benches, stackable weights, and dual-purpose furniture help when space is tight. Use rugs or mats to separate zones visually without building walls. Love flexibility? Like this setup. Designing your home gym isn't about having every machine. It's about creating a space that invites commitment. With clean zones, energizing colors, and purposeful storage, your home gym becomes a place where progress thrives daily.